Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is your host Pankaj, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 recommendation for summer fresh fragrances. Uh, I know it's a bit late right now. We're already in the mid of summer, but I still wanted to share this list for the summer for the fresh fragrances. This list is completely based on my experiences with these perfume. And before going to the list, I wanted to share with you my scent of the evening. It is Rasasi Shagaf. This is another summer fragrance, but it is not a fresh fragrance. That is why it is not in the list. Now, starting the list, I have only one honorable mention. It is David of Cool Water. Now, David of Cool Water is a fresh aquatic green scent, I would say. It is basically a neroli based scent, and it is going to give you a good performance in summer heat. And I still like to smell this on me even after like so many years I have used it. So, David of Cool Water, my only honorable mention. Now let's start the list with the first fragrance in the list is Mugler cologne. Earlier it was used to called as Thierry Mugler, but now it is only Mugler cologne. Now the best way to describe this is a clean, fresh bar of soap. Okay, it will smell just like you are out of shower. If you want to smell like a bar of soap for the rest of the day, this is the only best soapy fragrance I would recommend to you in my list. Rest are all they are citrus, they are floral, they are sweet as well. But this is the only soapy fresh fragrance, green fragrance I would say, which is going to give you a good calmness for your senses and can make you smile. It has that power to make me smile at least. This is very good. When I apply it every time, it makes me happy. It calms my senses. Only issue with this is why it is at number 5 is because of the performance. This it doesn't last for more than 2 to 3 hours, so every time you have to reapply it. Rest, it is a very non-offensive fragrance, so you're not going to offend anybody if you are even going overspraying it. So Mugler Cologne, my number 5. Moving on to the list, at number 4, I have from the house of Christine Dior, Dior Homme Cologne. Now, this is a very simple fragrance. It only has three notes, starts with a citrusy note, then goes to floral and majorly musky. For me, I would say to describe it, it is the first sniff what you get when you spray it is a freshly sliced lemon which we have taken out from a cooled refrigerator, and it is going to smell exactly like that for the opening for 5 to 6 minutes. After that it changes and it goes down to a sweet musky fragrance most of the time, and it is linear throughout. You're not going to get more than 3 to 4 hours for this, at least with me. But only thing is I would recommend for this is try to use it when you're outdoors. It is going to perform well outdoors as compared to indoors. It is actually going to shine outside when the sun is there. So my recommendation for now, coming to number 3, I have something from the house of Versace. This is Versace Man Eau Fresh. Okay, this is another fresh fragrance. It is a very safe fragrance again, I would say. Again, fresh and more, it is citrusy. This is the best perfume I would say when you want to smell a bit fresh and citrusy as well. Again, this performs well when it is sunny outside, when it is high heat, and it is going to give you a good lasting of 4 to 5 hours. Versace Freshy Mano Fresh at number 3. At number 2, I have something from the house of Calvin Klein. This is CK All. CK All is basically a fresh and floral, I would say. This is a unisex perfume, but I personally feel it is more of a towards men as compared to female, and I feel this is the best bang for buck in the entire list. Now this is a 200 ml bottle which I hold, and it is something which is very good value for money, a good value proposition when you compare the performance what you are getting out of it. What I get is almost 5 to 6 out of longevity. Only thing is when I use it on my clothes it is not that good performer, but when I use it on my skin it is a better performer. So whenever I recommend you, whenever you use any perfume, try to use it on your skin as well, so that you will be able to understand how the perfume or the juice is going to react with your skin chemistry. So CK All, my recommendation number 2. On the top of the list, I have something from the house of Dolce and Gabbana. This is Dolce and Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense Pour Home. Okay, now this fragrance is again a fresh aquatic. Now this is has a marine note. You are on a seaside, you are on the seaside and you are going to smell this exactly because it has that salty note as well. This gives a lot of compliments to you, and it is also a very good performers both indoor outdoor. Even if on your clothes skin, it is going to last for a long time. For me, on clothes I get at least 6 to 7 hours. For a fresh fragrance to give at least 6 to 7 hours is a very good number, because fresh fragrances are not that a good performer. I would say take it, have a smell, sniff before you buying it, because for some people it may not smell good, because I have heard from some of the people that for them it smells like a rotten egg. But this is because of the salt presented, what I feel. So it is not like that fresh as compared to all others, but it still had that freshness into it. And so I recommend it for number one. It is also has made a lot of times in Jeremy's top list for summer fragrances. So my top recommendation: Bang for Buck, uh, Dolce and Gabbana, Light Blue, O Intense. All these perfume which I have shown you today, they are lying in the range of $20 to $40. So they are not going to be very expensive and are very much affordable, so that you can start with your summer collection by any one of them. Both, anyone is good. I would recommend to buy at least one of them, and try to buy it only after you smell it, because fragrances are, very much subjective. And that is why I would suggest you to sniff it somewhere. Maybe if you're friend having, go to a mall when it is possible after the lockdown, and try to sniff it, try to check in on your skin how that performs. I'll tell you in my coming videos how to test a perfume and how it is performing with you. But this is all what I have for today's list, and I hope you have liked the content. And if you are happy with the content, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell icon. So till the next video, stay tuned. Thank you so much.